That's from Aunt Jennifer and Uncle Jerry. Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Be careful. What is it? What is it?
A book.
Book. Read the book. Read the other book. Just.
This is for you.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
What is?
100 of dollars. 20 bucks.
Wow.
Let's see. That's all that's in there? I want it. I wanted a Barbie doll.
Well, with all that money, you can buy a Barbie doll.
Okay.
How many dollars do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's so supposed to be. 6, 7, 8. No.
Okay. Now say thank you to Aunt Jennifer and Uncle Jerry.
Thank you. They said thank you. They said you're welcome.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Did you tell them that you love them so much?
I love you. They said I love you.
Oh, they did.